Meccha Chameleon is the new hotness right now, with 3 million copies sold on Steam in just a couple days after release. And because this game appeals to both the seasoned gaming vets and the brand new to casual gamers, I wanted to go over some of the concepts and controls of the game to get the latter prepared so you can jump right into a lobby and start channeling your inner Da Vinci. For starters, if you haven't gotten the game yet, you will only find it on PC through the gaming app called Steam. I know this seems obvious to a lot of you, but it's been a #1 asked question in my recent posts, especially since there are already mobile copies plagued with ads, as well as a Roblox version that people are getting this game confused with. To get in a game, search for a public match and add any tags that are relevant to your location or playstyle preference, and then scroll through some of the most depraved lobby names created by 12-year-olds until you find the one you like. If you join a lobby that's already started, you can wait for the round to end, which is a perfect time to practice some of your painting before you get in a match and have a timer rushing you. When the match starts, you only have a set amount of time to find a spot and paint yourself, so make sure to hold shift while moving to make your character run so you can find a spot quickly. Once you've found the spot you want to disguise yourself in, you'll need to find the right pose that'll help you blend in the most. Hold R to choose which pose you want, then line yourself up to the area you're hiding in. Make sure not to clip yourself in walls or objects too much, or you will start blinking red for all to see. This happens a lot because when you're trying to move into position, your character will rotate, causing your arm or leg to clip into something. To prevent this, hold down the right mouse button while moving to lock your character's rotational position. This allows you to get the right angle you need, then moving into the spot you're hiding. Once you're in position, it's time to paint. Press F to start the paint mode, which turns your cursor into a paintbrush and pulls up the color selector in the top left of your screen. But don't let all these selections overwhelm you, because all you need to do is press space while hovering a color to match it, making switching between colors a breeze. Keep in mind that it's not perfect. I've matched the color I already have on myself and it comes out different, but 90% of the time it'll do the job well enough. While painting, hold down the right mouse button and move the mouse left or right to change the size of your brush in order to get more detailed or to give yourself a full quick coat of paint. The only settings I actually mess with from the color selector are the metallic and roughness levels. Sometimes the color you're using is the right tone, but might be either too shiny or too matte, and playing with these levels will help you blend in more to your environment. When painting yourself, consider how you will look from different angles, because what might look great straight on could stick out like a sore thumb from the angle they are actually searching from. Press the middle mouse button to move your camera around and scroll it to zoom in and out to see your masterpiece from different perspectives. Once you're happy with your work, I like to exit paint mode and fly around the map by pressing 5 to the free cam and then 4 to free the movement. When the hide timer finishes and the hunters are let loose, you can press 1 to taunt them with a whistle if you're feeling confident with your spot, or the hosts of the lobby might have automatic taunting set to a specific interval to help hunters pinpoint the hiders. Above all else, remember that the point of the game is to attempt to hide in plain sight using paint to camouflage yourself. Sure, you can hide in some crevice that no one can see in, but you're robbing yourself the joy you get when people pass right by you without noticing because of your paint job. Not being found is just one part, not being seen is the other. When you're in view of a hunter without them seeing you, it starts racking up your missed spot ranking points, which is an indicator of who hid the best in plain sight. And as always, follow me because I said so.